Good morning, good morning. As the title reads, this is just an update video to let you guys know that I'm moving back to ThinkorSwim. Um, at the beginning of this month of July 2023, TradeStation informed all of its clients that it would be implementing a 0.005 dollars per share commission on all trades under a dollar. And if you've been around my channel, you know that those sub $1 stocks are my go-to setup. They're my bread and butter, what I can comfortably rely on. And TradeStation is taking that away. So I will be moving back to ThinkorSwim, TD Ameritrade. Hopefully the problems I had with TD Ameritrade have somewhat receded and resolved. Back in March and April of this year. Um, they were very, very laggy, about 3 to 4 seconds per order. It's not scalpable. So, um, we'll be switching back over. Hopefully the lag is non-existent or only like a second. We'll see. If the lag is still there, I don't know what I'll do because at that point, I don't know if I'll be able to be profitable because all my profitability is in those sub $1, sub $2 stocks. Whereas above $2, I'm kind of just break even in red. So if I had to go back to TradeStation, I'd have to trade only stocks above a dollar. I don't know if I'd be profitable then. I might have to adapt. Um, to Mimi, yeah, the cash from yesterday did not settle, so I will be waiting another day. I'll probably be ready to trade tomorrow. We'll see if the money is. If not, then Thursday definitely we'll be able to trade. But yeah, I'm just waiting on cash to settle from my withdrawal from TradeStation and my deposit into TOS. Ahmed, thank you. Have a great day as well. Trader community, good morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna try executing through DOS. I'm not sure if that adds an additional layer of lag or not. I'll try it out. We'll see how I like it. I know my eStocks uses DAS with ThinkorSwim, as well as trading with Tim. He also uses DAS. So I know those guys use DAS comfortably and they don't have any issues. So we'll see. I'll try executing through DAS. I have the hotkeys set up already. Uh, and if that doesn't work, I'm totally fine with just using ThinkorSwim. That's what I used originally to become profitable, and my best month ever was just using straight up ThinkorSwim with the DOS level 2, but executing through ThinkorSwim. So I will be in a mindset of adaptability these next few weeks and whatever changes my account has to go through. Um, Other than that, I'm not gonna be really trading today, so there's nothing really uh, to stick around for. I mean, what I'm seeing right now, MICS, for those who are gonna trade, MICS looks good. It's just approaching its pre-market highs, and with 5 minutes to the bell, looks good. Um, I don't see anything else. I haven't really looked though, because I'm not planning on trading. I did try executing some trades through DAS on the DAS simulator, and that felt nice. I did that yesterday after my red loss. I switched over to DAS and tried the um, hotkeys out to make sure I had it all right. But yeah, executing through DAS, it gave me some, what's it called? What's it called? I forgot what it's called. But it reminded me of when I originally traded with CMEG, the execution, how it felt. Not the speed, but like the same hotkeys. Like I was able to sell half, like sell half my position, sell a quarter of my position. I haven't had hotkeys like that in a while. I've had to use manual share size hotkeys. But with DOS, you can actually put in sell half position, sell quarter position, which is nice. It's a big bonus. So today I'm probably gonna be taking the day off just to study. Um, I already studied yesterday a little bit. I studied the big loss. It ended up being the total on that loss ended up being 2,800 or 2,900 on that one trade. Um, I mean, in a perfect world, if I go and pull that trade up on TraderVue, let me see here. TraderVue. I can show you where the loss happened. Let's see here. Yeah, 2,800. So it resumed at 9:40, 9:30-ish, dipped down to 9, bounced off 9, and as it was coming back towards its resumption price, I got in 1,600 shares at 9:32. We made a small push up to 950, and then flushed down to the halt down at 840. I was able to get out 680 shares before the halt at 842, and then on resumption, I added immediately at 740, so if there's anything I would change, maybe instead of adding immediately, could have waited for this dip. If I had waited for this dip and this was an add down here at 6, or at 7 instead of 740, I know for a fact I would have held through this whole thing. So, but because I had gotten in immediately with an additional 800 shares, I needed to see results right away. Because if this was going to go into another halt down, I had to be out. So the only thing I would change is waiting just like a couple milliseconds to see if we get that dip, and then adding on the dip instead of adding right away. I mean, the mindset to add to lower the cost here on this particular setup is definitely the right mindset. Cutting out of the trade right away, it is something you can do to just eat the bullet, but I would say the best move is probably to add and look for a bounce. Especially with the market we've been in this last week, where we have been getting halts down, resumes lower, and these halts down have been treated like pullbacks, kind of, this last week. So, having that mindset that, hey, this could just come back to where it halted down and make that recovery, that's definitely something to be thinking about. So other than that, I just added instead of at the open of that candle, but added on the dip, it would have been much better. Who knows? I could have made it out break even maybe. Anyways, all right. Good luck trading out there for those of you who are trading today. Um, I'll be sitting on the sidelines, just waiting for my cash to settle, and I'll be back tomorrow. Um, if the cash is settled, if I'm not here tomorrow, it just means that I'm waiting another day. But definitely back by Thursday. So Take care, guys. Good luck. The market just opened. Good luck on MICS. Hopefully it resolves and breaks through high a day. It looks good. It's good price range too. So good luck on that. I'll see you tomorrow or Thursday. Take care and peace out.